Hello everyone, welcome back to Watch Without Service. In today's video, we will be fixing a calendar complication issue in an Enicar 167 movement watch. In this particular watch, the date is changing at 12 pm and the day is changing correctly at 12 am. Let's see why this happens and how to fix it. First, let's open the case back and carefully remove the movement from the case. And as always, make sure you protect the dial and hands while removing them. Here we have the calendar side of the movement. Now the problem is in the alignment between the day and date driving wheels. To fix this, we will need to remove the calendar disc and realign the driving wheel. Once the day disc is removed, you can see the day driving wheel underneath. Next, I will remove the calendar day driving wheel. This wheel controls when the day changes, and in this watch it is slightly out of alignment with the date driving wheel. I will now reposition it properly, aligning it so both the date and day changes one after another at 12 am. After aligning the wheels, I will place the day disc back and check the function manually by advancing the hands. As you can see now, both the date and day changes together at midnight, which means the issue is fixed.